Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for purchasing your black wallet. In this video I will be basically walking you through on how we can assemble it. So beautiful. So we just get to open it, and inside they are dividers and stickers as well. Then we have a pen branded the black wallet, beautiful. We have the wallet itself, in this case in blue, and journals which I'll just put in the box. Then we have silicone bags. There are two types of silicone bags in here. We have ones that are going to hold your cash, just put that away, and these are going to hold your card. You can put your business card, your ATM cards in here. So the black wallet comes in 4 colors: gray, black, blue, and my favorite being brown. So beautiful. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to arrange your card holders. Those ones go first because it just gives you easy access to your card. The advantage with the black wallet is you can track both card and cash. The next thing you are going to insert are your pages. Really, you just have to follow the order as they are packaged, and you have the option of putting everything in for the whole year or alternatively monthly. In my case, I prefer monthly, so that is what we are just doing. So we put our pages first, then the trackers and the dividers afterwards. I'm going to show you another way which I prefer to use, which would be very easy for you also, I believe, but it's really up to you. So this in this particular way, we put all our trackers, our pages in front, and everything that follows at the back. A close-up will look like this. So you have your card holders first, your trackers. You can write your name. Was it a gift from someone? You can insert that here. Then we are now going to label our silicone bags. It's personal, obviously, but mine include bills. I have fun. I have to go out. I have family. I have family. I have health, beauty. It's really dependent on you and what you use your money for. And like I said, it's personal, so you define that. That's why you have blank stickers. So you have bills. Over here, I have a car that needs servicing, obviously fuel, car wash, all those expenses fall under car. Family, it's somebody's birthday, it's a friend's birthday. Beauty, girl, gotta get your nails done, all that comes there. So we have bills, car, family, etc. You're going to insert that there. Personally, I prefer to have my silicone bags in front and my pages the other side. So this is the second method I talked about. You then can move only the expense trackers at the back, because then it becomes easier for you to write. Remember, there are Ziploc bags which can really be disturbing when you are writing. So I find having my pages at the back becomes quite easy for me as I write as well. But if you want them in front, pretty much up to you. That's also okay, as long as it works well for you. So getting started, you're going to define your wallet category. In my case, the first thing is a car, right? So you have your car, and then you define how much you want to spend in a month. So you allocate an amount, which is 2,000 for my case. And here I have 1,000 kwacha, which I'm going to save in the car category. Why I use both card and cash is, there've been several times I've been at the gas station and they are their cash machine wasn't working. I mean, their swiping machine. So I'd rather just have cash as well as a backup. Also, just an easier way to interact with my money. Then over here, you're now going to indicate the date when you spend each amount on your car, and you give a description what you used it for. Was it car wash? Was it fuel? Was it servicing? And then you indicate, did you spend by card or did you spend by cash? Cash could also mean mobile money. And then your amount, and then your balance. Your balance is simply what you spent minus your budget that you defined at the beginning of the month. Then that will be the money you have left to spend. So take for example, today is February. Yes, your description is car. I spent using cash for 200 kwacha and my balance is 1,800. That is the money I have for the rest of the month over here. So it's simply that amount. You constantly reduce it from the budget that you put, and then your balance at the end of a month, then your total expenses down there, and what you budgeted and how much you budgeted that you would spend. Then on top here, you come back and put your actual expenses at the end of the month and just compare. Did you reach or did you achieve the goal of spending 2,000 kwacha? Was it by card or also by cash? I find that this really works well because you're interacting with your money daily, and it's very important that you interact with your money as opposed to just the technological way. I find that the greatest discipline is with pen and paper, because in this era, you are putting down your phone, not getting distracted. So you're going to do the same with your fun, your family budget. You just define an amount you want to spend, and it's easier because if that amount is done, it's easy for you to say I'm out of money, and you don't have to really move around with your wallet, your black wallet everywhere. You can leave it home and just take out a certain amount of money and keep it in your purse. So we have car, we have our fun here defined, we have family, we have beauty, and basically that's how you're going to track your expenses. It's so simple, it's interactive and amazing. You need the black wallet because it's going to really help you interact with your money. You have options of either tracking by card or by cash, or your mobile payments, which really does become cheaper for you because you are really going to save costs on withdraw payments. Then it's also an investment for you that will yield financial awareness, and really it's worth it. We spend 600 on a meal. I mean, why not get the wallet? Reach out to us on our social media, the Black Walletzm, to purchase yours. We currently can deliver within Africa, within Zambia, and within Lusaka at a fee. So yes, let's build a generational legacy. Remember, a generational legacy begins when you become accountable for your finances.